Hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is another video in structural analysis, particularly on the analysis of continuous beams by the slope deflection equations. And this is the second part. So here is the first problem. For the beam shown, determine the internal and external reactions at the supports by slope deflection equations. E is constant. So here is the given beam. I already solved this by um, many methods, and this is by slope deflection equation. So moment at B, C is negative 20 times 2, negative 40, and it is equal to 2EI over L. We consider EI as 1. So 2EI over 6, quantity 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 times 0 or minus 0, P is 0 or delta over L is 0. Then minus 30 times 6, 3 square over 9 square. So MBC is negative 40, 2 times 1 over 9, quantity 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 times 0 or simply 0, then minus fixed moment at the left BC, which is due to the load negative. So negative 30 times 6, 3 square over 9 square. Simplifying, 4 over 9 theta b plus 2 over 9 theta c is equal to negative 20. So let's call this equation A. This is a very important equation to solve for the rotations theta b and theta c. We then proceed to MCB. Supposedly, the shortcut is just interchange, but I'll set up the equation. MCB is equal to 2 times 1 over 9, quantity uh, theta B plus 2 theta C minus 3 times 0 again, then plus 30 times 3, 6 square over 9 square. And that is, so again, the shortcut, you just interchange. So MCB 2 over 9 theta B plus 4 over 9 theta C, then plus 40. Call this equation 1. Then MCD, the far end is fixed. So there are moments at C and D. So take note, the moment of inertia is times 2 of the moment of inertia of ABC. So MCD is 2 times 2 over L9, quantity 2 times theta C plus theta D, which is 0, minus 3 times 0, then minus, there are two loadings, rectangular and triangular. The intensity of the triangular load is 30 kilonewtons per meter. For the rectangular load, moment at C is left negative. So negative of quantity 15 L square, 9 square over 12. Then due to the triangular load, so plus, or it's negative also, 30 times 9 square over 30. So this is 81, and we'll just compute this. Simplifying, MCD is 8 over 9 theta C, then minus 182.25. Then that's MCD. MDC on the other hand, so this becomes 4 over 9 theta C, then the fixed moment is positive. Positive of 59 square over 12 and positive 39 square over 20. Take note, this is just 20. So MDC is 4 over 9 theta C plus 222.75, where 222.75 is 15 times 9 square over 12, then plus 30, 9 square over 20. This is 20 for MDC. So that's equation 3. We then apply equilibrium at C, that is MCB plus MCD equals 0. So adding equations 1 and 2 and simplifying, we have 2 over 9 theta B plus 4 over 9 theta C plus 40 plus 8 over 9 theta C minus 182.25 equals 0. So 2 over 9 theta B plus 4 thirds theta C equals 142.25, and let's call this equation B. So solving equations A and B simultaneously, we can now compute or obtain theta B and theta C. So theta B is negative 9441 over 88 EI, then theta C 5481 over 44 EI. So in terms of EI, supposedly divide by EI for the slopes. Then we can now compute moment at C. The moment at C is moment CD, and the moment at D is supposedly moment DE, but there's no DE, only DC. So moment at D is the negative of moment of DC, so the negative of this value. So MC is moment CD. So it is 8 over 9 of 5481 over 44 minus 182.25, and that is equal to negative 71.523 kilonewtons meter. Then moment at D is the negative of MDC, so the negative of 4 over 9 quantity, 5481 over 44, then plus 222.75. Moment at D is equal to negative 278.114 kilonewtons meter. We then apply these moments and analyze reactions at B and at D, then finally at C. So these are the reactions, support reactions, then the direction of the moments. So if we consider ABC, ABC, so summation moments about C equals 0, RB times 9 plus 71.523 equals 20 times 11 plus 30 times 3. So RB times 9 plus 71.523 equals 20 times 11 plus 30 times 3. So R sub B is equal to 26.497 kilonewtons. Then for R sub D, let's consider CD. We sum up moments about C. That's the direction of the moment at C. So counterclockwise positive RD times 9. Take note, this is also 9 meters. So RD times 9 uh, plus 71.523 equals 278.114 plus 15 times 9 times 4.5 plus 1 half of 9 times 4 times 30 times 6, supposedly. So R sub D times 9 plus 71.523 equals 278.114 plus 15 times 9 times 4.5 plus 1 half of 9 times 30 times 6. So R sub D is 180.455 kilonewtons, and I want you to solve for R sub C and verify that it is equal to 113.049 kilonewtons. So that's for that problem. So for this second problem, there are support movements. For the beam shown, determine the internal and external reactions at the supports A and B by slope deflections. EI is 100,000 kilonewton meter square. The support downward movements, A is 4 mm, B 15 mm, C 9 mm, and D 6 mm. Also construct the shear force and moment diagrams and sketch the elastic curve. So we'll just ignore this part. I already uh, constructed and sketched the elastic curve of this problem by the 3-moment equation. So we just ignore this instruction for this problem. The important thing here is we have another method by slope deflection equations. Here is the given beam. So moment at A is 0, moment at D 0. So therefore we begin with moment BA. There are two equations, one with far end 0 moment and the other one both ends have moments. So MBA is 3EI over L quantity theta near minus P. P is delta over L. And remember the sign convention for slope deflection equations. Then plus fixed end moment near minus 1/2 fixed end moment far. The other one, when applied to interior spans or with moments at the ends, so 2EI over L, quantity 2 theta near plus theta far minus 3 times P, where P is delta over L again, then plus fixed end moment near. And the fixed end moment near, depending on the loading, at the left it's negative because it is expected counterclockwise. At the right is positive because it is expected clockwise due to the load. So this is our strip for x because we have to compute fixed moment by integration. So MBA is equal to 2EI and EI is 3EI and EI is 100,000. So 3 times 100,000 over 5 quantity theta B minus delta over L. Delta is treated positive here because the chord joining A and B is rotating clockwise and clockwise rotation is positive. Then the delta is equal to 15 minus 4, so 11 mm, 0.011, that is treated positive over L5. So MBA is 3 times 100,000 over 5 quantity theta B minus 0.011 over 5 plus, because the fixed moment BA is positive, integral of 24 dx times 2 plus x squared of the farther distance of the strip, then quantity 3 minus x, the distance of the strip from the nearer end from B, over 5 square, limit 0 to 3. Then minus 1/2 fixed moment at A, which is negative. We just copy this, interchange the squared factor. So 2 plus x raised to 1, 3 minus x squared, then 1/2. So minus 1/2 of negative integral 0 to 3, 24 dx 2 plus x, then 3 minus x squared over 5 squared. Simplifying, and so simplifying, MBA equals 60,000 theta B minus 79.08. So you have to distribute and combine these values of the integral. So that's the simplified form. Then MBC, 2 times 100,000 over 6, quantity 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 times negative 0.006 over 6, then minus fixed moment BC is negative 24 6 squared over 12. Now this is negative and 6 mm because the distance between the support, the final destination of the supports, is 6, 15 minus 9, 6 mm. And this is treated negative because the chord joining BC is rotating counterclockwise. So remember, clockwise rotation is positive. So that's why it is negative. So simplifying, MBC equals 200,000 over 3 theta B plus 100,000 over 3 theta C, then plus 28. So the value of 2, 100,000 over 6 times negative 3 times negative 0.006 over 6 is 100. This is negative 72. So 100 minus 72 is 28. Call that equation 2. Then BC, CB, we just interchange coefficient. So 100,000 over 3 theta B plus 200,000 over 3 theta C plus 172. This 172 is, remember, the value here is 100. Then this becomes plus 24 6 square over 12. Fixed moment at CB is positive. So this is 72 plus 100, so 172. Call that equation 3. Then finally, CD, moment at D is 0. So we go back to this equation. MCD is 3 times 100,000 over 8, quantity theta C, minus 3 times, again, negative 0.003 over 8. The rotation of the chord CD is counterclockwise, so that's why delta is treated negative. Uh, 9 minus 6 is 3 mm, so negative 3 mm or negative 0.003. So MCD is 3 times 100,000 over 8, quantity theta C minus negative 0.003 over 8. Then fixed moment CD is negative 2544 square over 8 square minus 1 half of the fixed moment DC, which is positive of 25, because this is 25. 25 4 cube over 8 square is 25, negative 25. Fixed moment at D is positive of 25 by symmetry, and we multiply 1 half. So negative 1 half fixed moment DC. That's the formula. So simplifying, MCD equals 37500 theta C minus 376 over 16, equation 4. Then apply equilibrium at B, MBA plus MBC equals 0. So equation 1 plus 2, equation 1 plus equation 2 equals 0. And simplifying, we have 380,000 over T theta B plus 100,000 over T theta C equals 51.08, equation A. Then equations 3 plus equation 4 equals 0. 100,000 over 3 theta B plus 312,500 over 3 theta C equals negative 2377 over 16. Call that equation B. Solving equations A and B simultaneously, we obtained theta B 8.50172 times 10 to the negative 4, and theta C is negative 1.69826 times 10 to the negative 3 radians. Then substitute to solve for MB. MB is MBC. Substitute here. So MB is 200,000 over 3 times 8.50172 times 10 to the negative 4 plus 100,000 over 3 times negative 1.69826 times 10 to the negative 3 plus 28. So MB is 28.069 kilonewton meter. Apply it there. And MC is MCD 37,500 of negative 1.69826 times 10 to the negative 3 minus 375 over 16, and that is negative that value there, 87.122 kilonewton meter. Then apply. Then considering AB, summation moment B equals 0 to solve for RA. So RA clockwise positive. RA times 5 equals 28.069 plus 24 times 3 times 1.5. So R sub A is equal to that value. Then considering ABC, so RA is 27.214, I think. So 27.214 times 11 plus RB times 6 equals negative 87.122 plus 24 times 9 times 4.5. So R sub B is 97.587 kilonewtons. So that's it for this video.